Video I'm sharing with you all 2 fabric sales and giving you all a friendly reminder at the end. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Denise the Sloth Sewist. It's your girl Denise. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Fans, this is your first time clicking on my video and they have not already done so, I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel if you like any and everything about sewing. I'm talking about hauls, pattern hauls, fabric hauls, thrift hauls, me made reveals, and anything that's going on inside my craft room. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss any of my sewing content. In addition, if you're interested in knowing about the latest fabric sales or pattern sales, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss any of these daily deals or sewing finds. All right, everyone, welcome new subscribers to my channel. I'm so glad that you all decided to join my channel. Thank you all so much in advance for liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I truly do appreciate each and every one of you. Well, everyone, welcome to my video. In today's video, I am outside with my hubby, Big Bro. And he's out here doing what? He's fishing. And I'm recording this video with you all. And Roscoe, I'm recording this video for you all before I go grab my rod and participate because he's catching today. So let's get into it. Well, in today's video, I'm sharing with you all 2 fabric sales and giving you all a friendly reminder at the end. So let's get started. All right. Up first is Location Fashion Fabrics Club. Sales dates happening now through Monday, April 6, 2026. You have until 11:59 p.m. PST time to get in on this sale. What's on sale? 20% off site-wide at Fashion Fabrics Club. Once again, 20% off site-wide. So check out their website. See that you need any of the fabric that they're currently offering for those sewing projects, sewing or crafting projects that you may be working on at this particular moment. All right. 2 is Location Mood Fabrics. Sale dates are now through Sunday, April the 5th, 2026. You have until 11:59 p.m. PST time to get in on this sale. What's on sale at Mood Fabrics? Well, 20% off special occasion fabrics. So if you have a wedding or whatever type of special occasion in your life, check out Mood Fabrics and get 20% off special occasion fabrics. A reminder, everyone, I would like to let you all know, have you checked out my latest video? In my latest video, your girl Denise the Sloth Sewist will tell you all about my daily deals. In there, I mentioned additional fabric sales along with the current pattern sale that is happening now. Full details. Check out my latest video. I'll put the thumbnail here in one of these 2 locations, and I'll leave the link to that video in the description box below. All right, everyone, my motto is keep trying until you get it right. Denise the Sloth Sewist. Thank you all so much in advance for watching, and please stay tuned for part 3. I wasn't able to get out to you all today, so coming your way, part 3 will be on my channel Sunday at noon. Thank you all so much in advance for your continued support. I truly do appreciate each and every one of you. Y'all have an amazing weekend. If you're watching this Friday as of my recording. If not, have an amazing day, night, weekend, or whatever time you're watching my video. Your girl Denise the Sloth Sewist will see you all on the next one. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.